Welcome back. It's me, Daniel, VintageMagic.com, and we are looking at MythicMarkets.com. We're looking to invest $27.50. We're going to buy some shares. I don't know, maybe 1, 200. I don't know. I don't know how many we can buy of this investment. Yes, I did a video saying that I would not invest in this, but I talked to Joe, the CEO of Mythic Markets, and he told me something very interesting. Try out our service, review it, tell me how it goes. I guarantee you it's going to be a great thing. It's not going to be a scam. It's legit. We're going to find out right now.
Vintage Magic. Game, collect, invest. For more information about our consulting and professional services, visit vintagemagic.com.
All right, welcome back, everybody. It's me, Daniel, with VintageMagic.com, and I am going to review MythicMarkets.com. Their current investment is for 5 1994 booster boxes of Magic the Gathering. Antiquities, English Revised, English Legends, English the Dark, and the best set in the world, Fallen Empires. Yep. Now, I did a video, link will be below, about this so-called Mythic Markets, and I had my objections. I don't think it's a scam. I think the concern is it a good investment or not? And I did talk to Joe. This is not, by the way, a sponsored video by Mythic Markets. Joe, the CEO, I like that, of MythicMarkets.com. Him and I talked for like over 30 minutes, 45 minutes, I don't remember, about his business, what's going on. And he convinced me. Try out our service, and he guarantees personally this is not a scam. This is going to be the real deal. Now, obviously, he's not guaranteed the success of it, but he guarantees that you are going to get what is on the website, what you're getting. So let's do it. So first off, I'm going to hit learn more. You want to do your research on this kind of stuff, guys. You want to make sure what you're buying is legit. So the first thing I'm looking at here is, I like this. I like that it gives a lot of information about the sets. That's really good. I gotta say, that's really good. So you have the age, 26 years. You have factory sealed, near mint condition. Now this is the part I really debated with Joe. Thing here, private collector, the source. The problem I have with this, and as you guys know, is that collectibles and the source really matter. The provenance matters. There's lots of crap. Hold on, guys. This is a landscaper making all this noise. All right, sorry about that. Some stupid landscaper noise out there. All right, so let's continue. So my concern always is that the source matters. Because the problem with booster boxes and stuff like that is that there can easily be fraud. There can easily be reseals. And if we know the source, if it was from like a WotC employee, a Wizards of the Coast employee, or a reputable dealer that's been doing this for a long time, I would have more confidence in this investment. So I do like their website. What they have here is a nice, wow, it's a very interesting graph here. And these data points, they must be from PWCC, because it says right here, these graphs were created for PWCC market price research. You guys see that right there? It's really faint. There we go. See that? So that shows me that they're doing they're getting data from PWCC. PWCC, if you don't know, is the largest eBay seller out there, consigner, and they're just pulling data from them, which is perfectly fine. And obviously, there are a lot of disclosures. Please read the fine print and all that kind of stuff. They have a lot of history. Oh, so this is kind of cool. This right here was the Blue Vice. The Blue Vice, the deck that won the Alpha 40 tournament. Absolutely insane. You guys see this? This was my deck that I lent to Steve Menendian to play at the Wizards tournament at NOOBCON 11, I think. And Wizards tournament number 2. He obviously won this tournament. And it was basically a combo kill. It gives you some history about that. So anyway, check out the link. It's up there. You can see on the top right. Now, the top bar. So Right now, currently, as an investment, they have. Okay, and a lot of you guys out there are like, Daniel, are you doing this? What are you doing? You could buy this yourself. Yes, I have these boxes many times over myself already. Why am I buying these boxes or buying us shares? Well, I'm just curious. Part of it is I think these 79 investors here some of them are curious. At $27.50 a share, 2,000 shares get you $55,000 valuation. Is it worth it? Probably not. Also, another, it's probably worth about 45, 50K, maybe tops. Here's an interesting metric right there. We have 1,000 something people, 1,076 shares sold. And we have, let's see, we have buy 2750 shares. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select, sorry guys, I'm doing this on my phone because I don't have a share screen. I'm going to buy some shares. This is what you'll look at. Buy some shares. Wow, okay, this is interesting. Complete your investment, okay. Mythic Markets. Let's read this, guys. We know you've been through this already, but we must collect information. Okay, guys, so I'm going to fill this profile out, and I'll be right back. Apparently, they need my phone number and bullshit stuff. That's the way it goes. Hold on a second. All right, and we're back. So I purposely zoomed in here really, really deeply because basically it shows my bank account, like the last 4 digits. But here's the page. I filled out my profile. It will ask you your income, your household income, net worth, stuff like that. Reason why, you're investing, risk tolerance, stuff like that. And you need that for the Security Exchange Commission. They are regulated by them, so they are approved by the Stock Exchange, Security Exchange Commission. That's a big deal. All right, so if you notice here, you have basically the booster box, price per share, and you have $27.50 per share. I'm gonna, let's see, how many should I get here? I wonder how many you can get. Holy Jesus. What? Do I want to buy, wait a second, how many shares can you get? I think the max is, maximum is 200 shares. 200 shares. So $5,500 is the maximum investment. What do you guys think? So that's basically 10%, right? So any one investor can own 10% of this glorious investment. Now, cannot use your credit card. It has to be through a bank account, checking or savings account. I don't know. Also, here's a little gimmick they have. Nice little thing here. If you buy, here it is. If you buy 5 shares, you get a collectible pin. 20 shares, you get a custom binder. Well, sign me up, ladies and gentlemen. Is that what we want to do? Is that what we want to do? Comments below, is it the way we're going to go? All right, so let's take a look at this real quick. What is this? Oh, there it is. Wow, that looks interesting. Okay, so you get a pen. I don't know how that works. Do you interesting. And you get a bind. Oh, there's a binder. Wow. And I like that. Okay. Interesting. All right. So they got some, hopefully made in America stuff. I don't know. You know what? I'm going to do the 20. I want to get a binder. I think I can't invest that much in. I don't. How many binders do I get? I mean, do I get 10 binders? Because 200 shares. I think I'm going to go. Well, I want a pen too. So how does that work? I'm going to go 25 shares because I want the pen and the binder. Joe, I want a pen and a binder. Holy Jesus. $687.50 freaking cents. For the love of God. All right. I'm going to do it. So I'm going to get scammed. Am I? Am I going to get scammed? I'm going to continue. Oh, so here we are. A big legal disclosure. It's loading. Hold on a second. All right, so now you reach this thing about a legal disclosure. I'm not going to read it right now. I'll read it and then I'll sign it. But on the bottom, you will sign it. And Joe, the CEO's information's on there. I would highly recommend you to read it. Do not, do not buy something if you don't read it. It's a big mistake. There's a huge section on this. So it's a lot of information. A lot of information. It's page 1, probably page up to 3. There's a lot, guys. So I think you understand that really what you're doing here is you're investing in technology, I'm noticing, where they may or may not, you're investing in an asset, but you're also investing, they say you're a subscriber. I don't know what that means. Maybe you're subscribing to their technology, their service. So you're basically owning shares of this asset. I was also told by Joe that later on they may or may not official, actually be able to view the product. So anyway, hold on. I'm going to pause real quick and just sign the document. Hold on. All right, and we're back. So we did it. We ordered it. Basically, you're going to have to read through a lot of documents, and you sign, and you make a signature, and basically, we now own 25 shares at $27.50 for a total of $687.50. I did this because I want a pen and I also want a stock certificate and a binder. That is the only reason why. I was only going to do one share, but screw it. I want to see if this is real. I'm going to do my follow-up here in a second, guys. I want you guys to know how I really feel in a second. I will do my follow-up of what I feel my experience has been. All right, guys. So, what do you guys think? You guys think I made a bad investment? Think I made a good investment? I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen here. Well, at least I get a binder and a collectible pen made from whatever. I don't know. But guys, truthfully, the whole experience was fine. Seems legit, professional. I spent $687.50. 25 shares. Okay, so let me give you my real opinion on this. First off, if I $687.50, I can buy the box of Fallen Empires myself because it's like $220 a box. Okay, that's the first thing. Then you have the box of the Dark, which is probably around $2,500 to $3,000 plus or minus. Okay, so that doesn't cover it. But the whole point I'm trying to make to you guys is, yes, it's Antiquities box is about $30K, Revised box about $6 to $7K, Legends is about $10 to $12K, so you're reaching at a point where it's already about $50K or so, plus or minus, maybe $45. The point is, this is an interesting play because as long as there's liquidity involved and they're working on getting approval for that, where I could trade my shares, let's say the shares go up and I want to trade it, then I think it's going to be a worthy investment as just a diversified thing. Do I think that it's going to be like the game over thing? No, I think it's an interesting hedge. If you already have real estate, other Magic cards, other artwork, other stocks, mutual bonds, mutual funds, bonds, other investments, gold, silver. So all this diversification of assets. I think getting into I've always said, obviously, investing in Magic collectibles is a great investment if you have everything else obviously in line too. And obviously, no credit card debt, no student loan debt, that kind of thing. And especially if you've paid off a home or two, that's awesome, right? But if you're just barely getting by and you really need $687.50 in this particular case, I would not buy it because you're not going to see your money in the sense that you're getting no dividend. You can't cash out anytime soon. It's even more illiquid than Magic cards because I can't even sell my shares this very second. Whereas in stocks, I can. I can sell my shares and get my money back from Google or Apple, whatever I invested in right now. So that's obviously a downside. So if you really, really need the money, don't buy it. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will do a video when I get my binder and my little pen or whatever. I'll let you guys know what I think there. And yeah, I did it. I signed up for mythicmarkets.com. I'm an investor. I'm an investor. Joe, I want dinner in a movie. Hey everyone, it's Daniel Chang with VintageMagic.com. In this video, I want to run through our consultation service on VintageMagic.com. So what's really exciting to me about the consultation process is meeting you. I've met so many incredible people in the Magic the Gathering industry all over the world, and this consultation process is the key part to a successful working relationship. Getting hold of me is very simple. You could call or email me. We'll talk more about your needs. From all that information I gather in our call, typically about an hour long, I'm going to determine the best solution for you. So because we have such a suite of services that we offer, I'm going to sit down with a follow-up call, and then we're going to go off and determine what the best path is. I have experience in handling conversations in regards to large collections of artwork, sets of cards, either if it's graded or ungraded, raw cards. I also have dealt with collections with lots of misprints and oddities. Altered cards, sketch cards, and artist proofs are also one of my specialties. My experience in Magic Gathering has gone to any level of collecting you may have. I look forward to working with you.
Vintage Magic. Game, collect, invest. For more information about our consulting and professional services, visit vintagemagic.com.